Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X6. So we go, make sure Bluetooth is on. We're watching out at the bottom here, but I'll just back out of this. There you go. Just back out of this. And then if we click on telephone, you'll see there's nothing in at the moment, so it gives me the option to add new device, or alternatively we'll just go out of there again and go to nav. If we go to menu and then go to telephone, add new device, so you get to the same place but with two different methods. So we want add new device, so we click select add new device, and it's already come up here at the bottom, BMW 98057. It tells you there that's what it will identify as, just in case you're unsure, as a lot of people are these days. Enter identical passkeys for vehicle and Bluetooth device. So I'm just going to do it simple here, 4 noughts. So click the thing, it's on naught, click it 4 times, and then turn the selector till OK is highlighted. OK, we've put 4 noughts in, naught, 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 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. It's telling me I'm 49 minutes away from work there, and it's connected at the top, BMW. So that's it. One of the other things you will notice, there's a tick by telephone data transfer and audio. If there's no tick by audio, you won't be able to play music from your mobile through the audio system in this vehicle. So just make sure you've got them all ticked and then click OK. That's just to acknowledge that if you use data, it'll cost you money. So that's it.